Hey, good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching. This is truly for someone. Yesterday I had a very busy day and I came back home very tired. So in my mind I'm like, okay, before I get to sleep, let me get my line or my SIM card down that I use for data. And then I put it in the router and then I do some stuff before I can actually go to bed. I check the emails for the next day's daily flight schedule before I can actually go to bed. I don't know how it happened, but I found myself sleeping, waking up at 3 a.m. and I check my phone to check for the emails for the daily flight schedules and the pickup time for when we're supposed to go to work, and there's no internet. I check the line is not in the phone, neither is it in the router. So I'm like, where has the line gone? Where has the SIM card gone? So like a SIM card. I'm like, Holy Spirit, help me, because I need to know what is the pickup time, what is the daily flight schedule, how many flights am I having today. Something tells me, go back to bed. So I go, I sleep. At 5 a.m., the colleague I work with calls me and is like, hey, get another blanket and cover yourself because today it is not you working, I am going to work on your behalf. I'm like, okay. I did not even know how the schedule was. So I go back to bed. I wake up at 8 in the morning. I'm like, Holy Spirit, I really need this card. Help me out here. I check everywhere. I check every door. I check every small box. I check every envelope. I even check the phone again. I'm like, this cannot happen. This is strange. I don't lose stuff. Where has this SIM card gotten lost to? And as I sit in my chair, I'm like, Holy Spirit, I really, really, really need your help. So as I touch my shoulders like this, as I get this hand to come back, it comes back with a SIM card. And surprisingly, the SIM card had glued itself on my shoulder right here. I think when I lay on the bed, I slept on it. Yeah, and it glued itself here. So all the time I was looking for it when it is right here. And that gave me a very subtle lesson, a very bold statement. And sometimes the things that we need are with us. Sometimes the resources that we are looking for are right within us. The people that we need, the connections that we need, the interactions that we need, the connections that we actually need to make those bold moves, the money that we need to start that business. Those things are within our circles. Those things are within our proximity. But we need the Holy Spirit, something that is greater than our minds, to actually show us or direct us to those particular things. You get what I mean? And that is why it is very much important to cultivate a very, very intentional relationship with the Holy Spirit, because He will lead you to places where your mind couldn't. He will show you things that your mind couldn't. Oh, thank you, Holy Spirit. So I'm once again the African, or things that actually do matter, that matter to me. I'll see us in the next one.